Hi, it's the Honey Queen, and a year and a half ago, October 21st, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. A year later, in October 22, I ran a 5K with my friend Jackie, and we got these cute little shirts. She made the round neck into a V-neck because I like V-necks better.
We were dead last, but we did finish.
But this Easter has been very special to me as I start as of 3/23, March 20, year 2023, I am 1 year cancer free. Yay! So I'm going to do one of my favorites for Easter, and this is a honey cherry glaze that goes over ham. You could do it for Christmas too. First off, what you need to have, of course, is ham. I have just a 1 pound, little over 1 pound here because it's just my hubby and I. And I'm going to cook it in apple cider. You could do apple juice, but either one. I'm going to use granulated honey, so I'm going to take the rest of my sister's granulated honey and use that. You can use regular honey, Cox's honey. Brown sugar, and then I found the Smucker's cherry. That was the one with cherry jam I could find. And Dijon mustard, and ground pepper, and also cinnamon. First thing you're going to do is we're going to put the ham in here, and we're going to cover it with 1/2 cup of apple juice. You want to put the fat side down. You're going to turn your oven to 325 and you cook it for about 20 minutes per pound. So this is going to take a little more than an hour to do. Pour over 1/2 cup of apple juice that we're going to cook it in. So there you go. Cover it and then put it in your preheated oven at 325 degrees. Got my nifty hot pads from Terry. Thank you very much. I love them. Ready to pull that out when it's ready. Alexa, set the timer for 30 minutes. I also have my friend Jackie who did the t-shirt. She also made me this nifty thing. The bees on that. But look at that. This is a jar opener. So I'm going to try it on. Because they're so hot. Oh my goodness, that was so easy. And it has a magnet. Thank you, Jackie. So we're going to start with our pot here. We're going to start with 1/8 cup of the granulated honey. So it's cooking. We're going to be heating this on low. And we're going to take 1/3 cup of the Smucker's cherry preserves. 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 1/8 teaspoon of the black pepper and the cinnamon. And I'm going to mix it in this pot and heat it in this small pan for about 5 minutes or until it's warm and everything's dissolved. This only took like about 5 minutes. And it's already dissolved and ready to go on. We'll pull out the ham. And you want to serve it immediately on it or keep it warm in a small crock pot. The ham is done, warm through. The sauce, you can spoon over individual if you want. Or the whole thing. I'll show you what it looks like. Grandchildren, did you find the bee? Several places, huh? Yep, right there. Jar opener. The hot pads. Be sure to subscribe and share this with other people. Smells oh, delicious. Another idea for Easter is that you could take honeycomb, put that on the table on your charcuterie board. Have a sweet day. Have a beautiful day and live every day to the fullest. One more thing, there's always one more thing. I like to serve this with roasted potatoes, the red ones, and also green beans. I have a special recipe I do with the green beans in the oven. Anyway, just an idea.